Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone who is watching wherever you are. My name is Morris, the Crochet Master, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Yes, this is my favorite hairstyle, and I call up to all those who love short hair. This is for you, no matter how long is your hair. And again, it is not only for natural hair. Even if you have straight lax hair, you can also achieve these hairstyle. So for now, I would like to thank all the return subscribers, and if it's your first time to be on this channel, I would like you to click on that red button, ring the bell, so that you be the first person always to watch the videos that I upload every week. And of course, this is the channel where you always find different types of hairstyle. And yes, people have been doing the Lowcut, and this time around, this one is somehow different, just because of the hair extension that we're going to be using. And of course, you've been seeing different types of hairstyles of low cuts, and I think you'll also try to tell, like, you will judge accordingly. But I believe that this one is also one of the best again. So you will tell me in the comment section if you really feel like yes, it is. And of course, as usual, how we do it, this is how we do the cornrows. And these cornrows depends on how much the hair is. Like if the hair is very thick and long, maybe you may change on the cornrow, like you may change the style of plating the cornrows, because I always tell you, like, when it comes to crochet, it is the cornrow that gives you the it is the foundation. And now the cornrow is the foundation of the hairstyle that we're going to do. So you first look at the hair the way it is, and when the hair is short, or maybe it is long, very long, you might not do this same cornrow type. You maybe do it in another art. You can do it maybe round again, because when you do it round, you will find like at least there is nothing like it's going to how can I say it, something like is it like shrinking? No, shrinking is becoming small now. Like in the at the back, when let's say her hair is very long, and every hair that you're finishing it at the back, you'll find it like the head is losing the shape. So you try to make sure that it is all there, and make sure that the foundation is not as big as possible, since when we're adding on the extension, we are going to cut it to make it shorter. So if the cornrows are big, then it's going to be difficult. Now, this is the Afro bamboo that we're using, and just in case you want it, I'm gonna add the link in the description so that you can also buy yours. And this is how it looks. I love it already. Yes, so let's do it together and see how this is going to be. And first of all, when I'm done with this, I just have to remove the net, and then we make sure that we cut it into the pieces that we're going to use. Sometimes, like, you will find that those ones who would want it to look somehow long, you get it, like that shaggy look, and those ones would want them very, very short. And again, so this time around, you just trim it accordingly to how your client wants it. So removing like 5 pieces of like 5 of them, and of course then we start doing our crochet. And this is very simple on how we're doing it. So guys, let's continue and see how this is going to look like. So let's do it right now. And as we're doing it, we make sure that we crochet the whole head. And again, if I'm telling you this, like whenever you're doing this, make sure that you crochet the whole head, like you pack it very well, because when you pack it very well, it means even the hair is going to sorry, like if you pack it very well, we make sure that it is like her own hair. You get it? So you have to pack it in the way that when it is few on the head, if someone tries to lean on something, it might lose the shape. So you just have to make sure that you pack it very well, so that does not lose the shape. Okay, so then after, we see how this is going to look like. So let's do it together and we see.
Tolina chongamba. Number one, you know. A big thing this. Bano beba number one. Boli chimuba chikola from the art. Obukugu bwa pull up. The muli muyiga bona bachiso. Nobody can ever run them. Crochet master movie, he ma run them. Uchenviri bakuwa, balinga high grade kweba soma. All of them are styles, them are do for you. Them are make you look nice and sexy too, yeah. For the beautiful woman, yeah. Come around here by creepers, yeah. They are by clippers fire.
So again, when we're done with this, of course, this is how it looks. And first, very important thing, let's try to comb it around so that to make sure that our crocheting is really locked very well. And here is trying to tangle down so that it does not come out. Okay, so after combing, of course, we're going to start the trimming. And of course, for this one, I always tell you that it is hard for me to teach you how to trim or like how to cut, because everyone has got her own shape and how she wants to look. So you just trim according to what your client tells you. If she wants it as an afro, of course, you will have to leave it. And if she wants it to look this low, still it is very, very okay. So let's do this together, and trust me, you're going to love the process. And of course, so after all this is done, we're just going to get our sponge, and then we start doing the crazy thing. And of course, you have to apply in the Morse, because it's the one that also separates it very well. And this is what I'm trying to do. So you just have to do it like this. And of course, to those locuts that you have been seeing, I guess this is different from the ones that you've been seeing, of course. Yes, so that's why I'm saying that, yeah, the difference is really there. So guess what? You're going to love it. And when it is done, you just go right in the comment section, tell me what you feel, what you think about this lowcut, and what is the difference from this one and those other lowcuts that you've been saying. And of course, maybe which one is better, which one would you love to do. And of course, this is what I was trying to let you know. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I work at Hair by Clippers, and that is Hair by Clippers with Z. So if you want to book, you can always use our website, and we work on you as soon as possible. So my name, for now, I'm gonna be signing out. May the Lord bless you all. Bye-bye.
For the ones that make us smile every day, pour their hearts in all they do every minute. Work so hard for us to be so bold, stand tall. We appreciate you, we love you, we say thank you. Yeah.